using the Precision glue gels on that needle, and I'm gonna pull it out so you can see that. And we are going to do first nails. This one is really cute and easy. You can just need to seals on completely in the metal part. And then we're gonna talk about the price for this one really quick and shortly, okay? For a lot of us who is interested in how much you should price it for being fair for you and your clients. All right, cure this beauty for about 60 seconds and check with the crystal. I check about the crystal, feels really good. This one's scratchy right here. I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit, little go a long way, and you're gonna go around to make sure that the metal parts, the metal charms not only seals completely, also it's not going to catching on the client's hair or the clothes or their sweater or the fabric. So cure for 60 seconds. And then going to this one is really cute. Like you said, is this one, it looks so, I think it's more for New Year though. Like so sparkle, so bright. I'm gonna seal all the metal frame and this little purse. I'm gonna seal it to make sure that I protect it. And then we're gonna go around with the crystal and make sure the crystals is sealed. And then right here, if you're scratchy, when you feel like a little bit scratchy is there, you are going to squeeze just a little bit. Just a little go a long way. You don't need a whole lot because you don't want to flood it all your crystals. Seal the metal frames. And you have a lot of cute frame and charms on each mix bags on a different month of yours sub box. Give you a lot of idea for your crystal design. Some of seals all the metal, seal, and then you just seals around all the crystal. Do not cover the top of the crystal. It's gonna destroy the whole entire of the sparkle and the shine of it, and which is you definitely don't want to do it. So we are going to cure this for 60 seconds after you seals all of the metal frames and then crystal. This is will keep all the metal from getting tarnished, and also we keep them not only stay nice designs like this, but it's avoiding them from catching on the client's hair, because you do not, clients love to have a crystal, but they're like, oh, I love the crystal, it looks so fancy and so good on the picture, but then when I get home it's catching on my hairs, my clothes, is a mess. You don't want it like that. You don't want the clients to have that, you know, experience that they love the crystal, but they, in the fact that they couldn't keep them and stay in a place, and it catching everywhere. They go party, go to like, you know, everywhere they just don't want to go, and then catching on anything. Like if they get in a fancy dress for Christmas party or any event, they don't want to like catching on any of a cute fancy dress. So you want to make sure you seal it. And if you feel like when after you are going to key it and the client feels like it's still scratchy, still catching on their hair, make sure you are going to seal it again. But if you need to seal more than 1 or 2 or 3 times, make sure each time you seal, you are going to key flash key for 30 seconds to make sure they are flash key, and then quick first before you give it another layer of seals. So let me get this one. We want to keep for 60 seconds, but I'm going to do quick pictures right here.